Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Sikhulumeni ngoSimphiwe Slepe bafethu, umfana omncane othathe i-chance yakhe when he was offered lapha ku-Orlando Pirates. Siyazi ukuthi ibhola ke emhlabeni webhola bafethu i-pressure inkulu especially ku-South African football, but izitori ezifana nesaka Simphiwe, Ben 10 Slepe bafethu, they don't come around too often, yabo. Umdlali kuzalwe lapha na-2005 i-midfielder ke lena beyingaziwa ama-fans makuqala lo nyaka lona even naphakathi, but fast forward manje njengoba siku-August bafethu, lo mdlali lona already seka-fan favorite and udlalela one of the biggest clubs on the continent bafethu. Cabanga lo mdlali lo uqeda ukufika manje ku-professional setup bafethu nge-3 May udlale laphana iSoweto Derby against the Kaizer Chiefs. Ungene vele isikhathi sesiyophela laphana umbona ukuthi akakabi comfortable, usaseshake, but ke uJose Rivero because uyabelieve kuma Young Stars wavela wamfaka ku-deep end against the Kaizer Chiefs laphana badlalele eSoccer City, yabo. Ama players amaningi ayaphupha ukuthi adlale kuSoweto Derby noma kuthiwa nje basebhenchini, but uSlepe ke wakwazi ukungena laphana kuSoweto Derby yakhe yokuqala, and then a week later or two nge-17 May yes ula wadlala kahle kakhulu, wathola i-man of the match. Imagine just 2 weeks after i-match yakhe yokuqala ne-Kaizer Chiefs ekathola i-man of the match. If ngikhumbula kahle ngathi babedlala ne-Golden Arrows but angikho sure bafethu, yabo. But performance yakhe, composure yakhe on the ball, control, football brains nje siyabona ukuthi sabona lapho ukuthi umfana he was built for a midfielder, uyi-superstar on his own right, yabo. 24 May washaya igoli lakhe lokuqala lapha ku-Orlando Pirates, crucial obvious for Orlando Pirates because they wanted to finish i-season strong, yabo. So guess who stepped up? Umfana omncane, big moment, big player, is growing in confidence. And then lapha nge-6 June bafethu bafana bembizile ke sekadlala ku-professional setup kubafana. Cabanga, just not even a month bafethu eqeda ukudlala, just after a month aqala ukudlala ku-Orlando Pirates sekabizwa Hugo Broos. Hugo Broos ke naye wa-comment washo ukuthi yena akadingi ukuthi umdlali adlala amagame amaningi, wena udlale 3 games or 4 games or how many games, but mebona i-quality uyalibona ukuthi yabona leli i-quality, and then ngizokwazi ngempela ukumselecta lo muntu lo ukuthi azosiza i-national team. I think babedlala ne-Tanzania ne-Mozambique back to back matches, angisakhumbuli kahle, yabo. But ke what a rise for umfana, yabo. I think lento lokwenzeka when i-talent meets timing, yabo, ukuthi okay he was ready to grab the opportunity or the chance, and then azange adlale ngempela ngayo, and then he made sure ukuthi he caught attention of abantu abaningi, yabo. But manje big question ukuthi ke uzokwazi now keep up ukuthi compete for the places lapha ku-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates isayina abo Siphumbula, abo Masindi, abantu aba-different abaningi lapha ku-midfield is gonna be highly competitive lapha, but sobona ukuthi umfana uzokwazi na ukuthola i-game time. Kuzoba nzima, but ke noma ngathola lo 10 minutes 15 minutes not every game, but ke mengadlala lawo magame ambalwa ukuthi i-confidence yakhe still ibe high because bafana international already, yabo. So I think ama-qualities wakhe ukuthi uyakwazi ngempela ukudlala under pressure, uyakwazi ukudeliver when it matters the most, and is not afraid of i-spotlight, yabo. I-breakthrough season yakhe le yabuya kuyo, but udlala amagame amancane, let's be fair, amancane kakhulu. So le season esiyakuyi season efresh entsha, uzokwazi ukuselectwa kuwo throughout the season, uzokwazi ukudlala i-full season. So mbona ukuthi uzodlala ama-match awungakhike ku-full season yakhe, simfisela inhlanhla, what a rise. Izitori ezikanje vele njengoba bengishila zize everyday bafethu, but we need to appreciate whether favor iphi team, but when you see a beautiful story like this, life-changing moment for the boy, nanokuthi umfana omncane akwazi ukuyithatha i-opportunity ukuyigrab, athi yazini le opportunity le mhlampe iza kayi-1 kuphela, but let me try and use it to my advantage. Danko bafethu, simfisela inhlanhla laphana uSlepe.